Welcome to TOEFL IBT 2026, the Essential Guide. This video will help you understand the new format, scoring, and strategy for the exam effective January 21st, 2026. Why is TOEFL changing? The goal is to move from an academic-only focus to one that includes real-life communication. The score is now globally aligned with CEFR standards, aiming for a result that is universally understood, fairer, and faster. The 2026 transformation is streamlined, reducing the time from 2 hours to 67 to 85 minutes. Technology now includes multi-stage adaptive reading and listening. Tasks introduce new interactive components like listen and repeat and write an email. The scoring shifts from the old 0 to 120 scale to a new 1 to 6 band scale, reported in 0.5 increments. This new global currency is instantly recognized worldwide, replacing a score that was hard to compare internationally. Your final score is the average of the 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. For example, scores of 5.5, 5.0, 5.0, and 5.5 average to 5.25, which rounds up to a final score of 5.5. The new band scores are mapped directly to CEFR levels. Band 4.0 to 4.5 represents B2, or University Ready, while Band 5.0 to 5.5 is C1, the standard for competitive graduate schools. During the 2026 to 2028 transition period, score reports will show the CEFR level, the new band score, and the comparable old score. You won't need to manually convert scores. ETS provides the translation. The reading and listening sections are now smart and adaptive. Stage 1 is a routing module. Based on performance, you advance to a harder module for higher scores, or an easier one with a capped score potential. The first new speaking task is listen and repeat. You will listen to 7 sentences of increasing complexity and repeat them exactly. This tests auditory memory, phonetic accuracy, and intonation. The second new speaking task is take an interview, a simulated video call with a pre-recorded researcher. There is 0 preparation time, so your focus should be on spontaneity and natural fluency, not rehearsed templates. The writing section is now functional and fast, totaling about 23 minutes. Long independent essays are gone. New tasks include write an email and build a sentence, along with the retained academic discussion task. To prepare for 2026, train for 0 prep for the interview task. Use phonetic drills like shadowing for listen and repeat. For adaptive tests, accuracy in the first module is critical to unlock your highest score potential. The verdict is that TOEFL is not getting harder, it is getting smarter. It is more global, more authentic with real-life tasks, and more efficient in half the time. If you focus on true proficiency, you are already prepared.